like, subscribe, comment what should we play next, and put the notification bell on. So right now I'm in a Tycoon, and I don't really know where's Mia right now. So I bought a second floor. I got some potions. I'm gonna go up to the second floor. Maybe I could get some more. I wonder. Mia,
Can you help me?
can I kill
I
you?
need a lot of help.
But the only way
Like
is.
a lot, like my head is stuck in the ceiling. I need help. Please.
But then I have to kill you.
I need help. No, don't kill me.
But then we can't get you out.
Try to get a shrinking potion.
Oh my god. Okay.
Help me.
I will. Oh my god, guys. Let me get a shrinking potion.
I'm stuck.
I got a wizard potion. We got a shrinking. I got a ninja. Oh, great.
I'm
I
stuck.
got another wizard potion. Wait, Mia. I'm gonna toss you this potion and you have to drink it.
Okay. Will
Like,
it help me?
wait. I think so, but it's not a shrink potion. Here. Take it. I gave it to you. Is it in your inventory? Wait, let me see.
I'm drinking it.
What happened to me?
I am so big. Come
What?
outside. Come outside.
I
Come
can't. I'm
outside now.
stuck. I'm coming. I'm coming. Ah!
Oh my gosh.
What?
I am so big. Maya, you gave me the wrong potion.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Get out of there. Everybody's killing me.
I told you to help me, not make it worse.
No, but I gave you a ninja potion. Not a grow potion. Are you getting bigger?
Yes. Look, come outside. Come outside.
I am outside. This is on camera. Oh, drink another potion. Oh my god. Oh my god. Mia, what the heck are you doing? Why are you stepping on me? Why is your foot on the floor?
I'm stepping on you.
Yeah. Stop.
I can't see.
Someone killed you.
No. Oh, actually, that's really good because now he helped me. Actually, thank you. Yes, I'm tiny again. Yes.
But should we be tiny and then sneak into other players' bases?
Yeah, I know you can do that.
Let's go. What potion am I going to get? I got a salt skin potion, I think. I got a black belt potion.
If you get the shrinking potion, can you please give it to me?
But I gave you the grow potion. I got a grow potion.
Really? Get really big. I'm gonna go outside, okay?
I'm huge.
Just start drinking it, and then you're gonna end up in the roof. On top of the roof, actually. Don't go outside. Go upstairs.
Fine. Because I don't want to be stuck like you. I'm salt skin.
Just continue drinking and drinking.
I can't go upstairs, so I'm gonna start here.
Oh my gosh, I can see you.
You can see my hair?
Yeah, drink more, drink more.
I am.
Oh my gosh.
I am the biggest in the
so
world.
Oh my gosh, you're chasing me. I'm running away.
Someone's killing me.
You're stepping
No! Why?
I didn't kill you. Somebody else did.
I wanted to stay like that forever.
Yeah, it is actually really fun. You know you were stepping on me?
Sorry. Oh, gravity.
It was
Whatever.
so scary.
Well, you stepped on me.
I don't know. I didn't see you.
I got black belt. I want to get another grow potion. Wait, is this a grow potion? No, that's salt skin.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Your character's naked.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
On my screen, I'm not.
On my screen, it is.
Okay, then. Okay. Oh, I got a sky selector. I'm gonna fly down. See ya. Oh, I didn't know I could kill you.
What? You killed me.
I didn't know that my wings could kill you. See ya, world. See ya in the universe. Woo! I'm like scaring everybody. Trying to kill me. Why? Someone killed you.
Because you're scary.
Someone's trying to kill me.
Yeah, because you try to kill everybody else.
Oh my god. I'm gonna do the black belt. Yeah! I look amazing. I'll be tripping.
And we are
I'll be
playing.
slipping.
Today we are playing Wizard Tycoon. So yeah.
What the heck happened to me? I have like millions of cash. Yeah, I'm gonna buy a broomstick. Wait, let me buy some of these.
Okay. I think I have 3 mil. Oh my gosh, I have so much money.
No.
Like, I have so much. We are like the richest in the game.
Yep.
Or server. I hope they can hear me.
I got a wizard potion. What am I gonna get? I got a grow potion! Whoa!
No! Become big, become big.
Wait.
Keep on drinking it. Drink it as much as you can. Like, don't drink until you become big. Just drink it and drink it and drink it and drink it and drink it.
Wait, let me hide somewhere else. I'm gonna hide in the back of our roof. I meant at the back of our castle. I'm zooming out, guys, because
I keep getting ninja potion.
Oh. So guys, I'm gonna become big.
Yes! Yes!
What?
I got the shrink potion. I got the shrink one.
Cool, but I prefer the grow one better.
No, I prefer the shrink one. Now I'm gonna keep on drinking and drinking and drinking the shrink one. And
Yeah, but you know you could fall out of the void.
How?
Because remember when you fell out of the void? Oh shoot, I'm huge. Look at this beautiful face. Oh shoot, I think I died. What the heck? I'm a big marshmallow.
No, I fell out the world.
I told you.
Aw, man. I wasn't even that big. I wasn't even that small. How?
What am I going
Maya,
to
come
get?
downstairs. I want to show you something. Look, look, look.
Wait, I want to get something. I got a salt skin potion. Come in.
What?
Coming. Hi.
Come here, come here.
What? Ah! No!
What? You didn't get trapped?
Okay, fine. We will get trapped together.
Yay! I trapped
Come on, let's go out. Mia, come on, come here. Mia, come on. Mia, come here. Come. I'm gonna go get the strongest weapon. The two most strong. Mia, do you want to see the strong weapon? Come outside, Mia. Come outside.
I'm coming.
No, not like. Never mind. I'm gonna go attack someone with the weapon.
Wait for me.
I killed 2 people with it. Oh my god. Yeah, guys. So this is just a spoof video. It was just for fun. This had no episode. We're just making fun about everything. We just wanted to make this a funny video.
Yeah, this video's actually for fun. Like, we're just kind of playing around.
Yeah. So I hope you like, subscribe,
And leave a comment.
bye.
Bye!